Welcome, guys. It's been a while. I just wanted to do a quick vlog and let you know, give you an update on what's happening in the shop. I hired the new technician, very nice guy. We're super happy we have him, very talented technician, and it's been going good so far. It's just we're swamped with work. It looks like we're gonna have to look into hiring one more technician. So that's gonna be definitely on our to-do list in the near future. But I just wanted to give you a heads up or give you an update on what's happening, and heads up because there's gonna be a lot more videos coming as well. I have something lined up, but let me just give you a few things here. So we're again start painting. I think I already mentioned it. Shop's getting painted right now, but what we're working on just simply see issues. This is kingpins. We're swapping them. I'll show you what you want to definitely do is when you go to for a PM and the mechanics are greasing your hitting your grease fittings. Make sure that you, as much as you can, just check them, because we just found two of them. We weren't hitting them enough, and I didn't get my light. Should bring my light to show you guys. And if you don't do that, it's gonna start. You're just gonna the grease is not gonna go through because the grease fitting is not working properly. It's not letting the grease through. And I don't have my light. Let's see if I can see that. And it kills the kingpin. There you go. I'll use this flashlight. So I want to show you what happened here, what to look for. See right here. See the red? That's what it's going to look like if the grease doesn't go through here. So make sure all the grease spots, you check them and see if the grease fittings are working properly. They're very cheap. You can swap them, get a bag at a truck stop or parts store, and you can have the mechanic swap them out for you if you see that it's not letting the grease through. Everything else is going good so far. Just working on some cleanup stuff, and got one transmission we have to swap, and then waiting for a new one that we ordered for this truck right here, and that's going to be coming in soon. So I should probably record that how we're putting in. And then we have one more transmission in this one that needs to go, and we're building. We have one that fell apart, and then one needs some parts, so we're going to try to combine and have one working one and put together one out of two. That's what I'm trying to say. Other than that, everything is going good so far. 4th of July weekend coming up, so we're going to be taking a little bit of time off on Thursday, and then Friday, Saturday we're going to paint more and clean up and get ready for next week. This is a project that's been taking a lot of time. What happened was, it's something that I should probably mention. If you forget about your checking, if you're not checking your yokes and your U-joints, it's gonna mess up the truck pretty badly. So we had to, I'll show you right here, we swapped, we put a new short shaft here in this one, and that pretty much just messed up the whole all the air hoses and harness and the frame. So we had to fix that, and the harness is on special order, so we've been waiting for a week to get it. So if you look at the, if you look at your drive shaft, just make sure your yokes and your U-joints center bearing is intact, because if it falls apart when you roll down a highway, you're going to do a lot of damage. So always make sure you have it checked. That's it. Thank you for watching. Look out for more content and subscribe if you haven't.